IBM aspires to make a lasting positive impact on the world in business ethics, our environment, and our communities. IBM Impact is the new framework to approach environmental, social, and governance practices across operations. Through IBM Impact, IBM is committed to create a more sustainable, equitable, and secure future in 3 pillars. IBM is creating pathways to conserve natural resources, reduce pollution, and minimize climate-related risks. We've committed to achieve net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2030, divert 90% of IBM's total non-hazardous waste from landfill and incineration by 2025. IBM will reach the milestone of 100 client engagements or research projects with environmental benefits by 2025. IBM is focused on creating safe spaces and opportunities for everyone through diversity, equity, and inclusivity inside the company and around the globe. We've committed to provide 30 million people with the skills needed for tomorrow's jobs by 2030, reach 4 million donated hours through the IBM Volunteers Program by 2025, invest $250 million in apprenticeships and new collar programs by 2025. IBM is creating innovations, policies, and practices that prioritize ethics, trust, transparency, and above all, accountability. We've committed to train 1,000 IBM ecosystem partners in technology ethics by the end of 2022. Calculate compensations of our executive annual incentive program for C-suite and executive leaders, based in part on their organization's progress in improving diversity. Engage suppliers on sound practices such as social and environmental responsibility, ethics, and risk planning. Trust, transparency, and ethical leadership have been embedded into IBM's DNA for more than a century. Those values still guide the company's commitment to a positive and lasting impact today.